On this video, we are learning diatonic chords in the key of C sharp. We are in the key of C sharp. And diatonic chords, that simply means, the chords belonging to that key or the key that you are playing in. So it simply means belonging. And we're gonna be in the key of C sharp, and we're gonna be learning the diatonic chords, and we'll also learn how you can incorporate this. We'll demonstrate how you can use these chords in your song progressions, right? When you play, we don't want you just to know this and then the next thing you don't get to utilize them. So first thing, let's learn them the chords for 1 up to 7, this diatonic chords, right? As I said, we're in the key of C sharp. So this is gonna be our one to start off with, and let's not waste time. Let's get to it. This is our one. This is our one. And that's our one again slowly. So what am I playing there? I'm using, both of my hands, my left hand and my right hand. So on my left hand, I'm playing 1, I'm playing 5, I'm playing 2, and we're using obviously the numbers to communicate. Yeah. And then on my right hand, I'm using 3, I'm playing 5, I'm playing 7, and I'm playing 2. And this is how it sounds all together. And then on my left hand, this is how it sounds all together. And then together, this is how it is. Now let's move on to the second one. You might have, you probably know this already. So this is my playing 2, I'm playing 6, I'm playing 1. And then on my right hand, I'm playing 4, I'm playing 3, I'm playing 5, I'm playing 1. Let's move on to 3. So my left hand is 3, 7, 2. And then on my right hand, I'm playing sharp 4, 5, 6, 2. Now let's move on to 4. Slowly. Okay, what am I playing there on my left hand? Is 4, 6, 1, 3. My right hand, I'm playing 5, 6, 1, 3. Right, and then let's move on to 5. On my left hand, I'm playing 5, 7, 4. And then with my right hand, I'm playing 5, 7, 2, 4. And this is how it sounds all together. Now let's move on to 6. Again slowly. So what am I playing there? On my left hand, I'm playing 6, 1, 3. And then on my right hand, I'm playing 7, 1, 2, 5. Now let's look at our last chord, which is 7. It's gonna be this one here. And that is our 7, ladies and gentlemen. So what am I playing there? Is 7, 2, 4, 6 on my left hand. And then on my right hand, I'm just pressing three notes. Yeah, three notes. So it's just gonna be sharp 1, 3, 6. Altogether, this is how it sounds: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Now let's see how you can incorporate this in a song progression. And I'm just gonna take the simple one that we've been using all along when we're doing, diatonic chords lessons. It's just gonna be, simple, song. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. So pay attention to how I'm using the diatonic chords in the song progression, right? Because that is the goal. The goal is to show you how I'm incorporating the diatonic chords in the song progression more than just the progression of the song. So the focus is more on how and where I'm using, this diatonic chords. So let's do that again, and I'm gonna try to be slow this time, right? So start again from the top. Thank you, Jesus song. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Here goes my diatonic chord, and the next one. And that's how you can, incorporate these diatonic chords in your playing. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this is gonna improve your playing as well.